Mechanicals.
Hi, Cat. The Mechanicals have been so excited to see you.
Oh.
I think the Mechanicals wish they could fly like you, Cat.
Make that junk fly, Sly.
Ah, no more pesky parts cluttering up my nice clean garage.
This is not junk.
You're right, Cat. We can use this stuff. Waste not, want not.
I can tell you have an idea already, Gecko.
Let's just say I'm aiming high. Amazing work, team. That was quick as a flash.
We built a flying machine from a pile of trash.
Go, go, Mechanicals. It's time to fly high up in the sky.
Ah, all nice and clean after touching that horrible junk.
And it's vanished already. I'll never see that rubbish again.
We are quite a team, on land and now in the air.
Yes, Cat, that's true. And the sky's the limit to what we can do. Fiona fire truck. What's the matter? Your hose isn't working. Let's take a look. Don't you worry, Fiona. We'll soon get you fixed. I'll get my best wrench. What? Come on, Mechanicals. Give me a hand, please. Are you all right, Yellow? Well, I think that's the problem fixed. Thanks for visiting us at Gecko's Garage, Fiona. Bye! Ho, ho, ho! Hello, everyone. Santa Gecko here with my elves. It's Christmas time! And Gecko's Garage has transformed into Gecko's Grotto! We have a list of festive fixes for some of our friends. Their presents are wrapped and ready for my merry Mechanicals to fit them. Ah! Wrenches and reindeer! They're here! Get ready, everyone! Ho, ho, ho! Welcome, Vicky, Fiona and Mama Recycle. I heard you've all been very good this year. First on the list is Vicky. You asked for a new ice cream cone. Go on into the grotto. Your gift awaits. And Fiona, you wanted a new fire hose. Your watery wish will be granted. Mama Recycle, you asked for a new grabbing arm. Let my elves grab that for you. Ho, ho, ho! Oh, no, no, no! Something's not right! A grabbing arm for Fiona, an ice cream cone for Mama Recycle, and a hose for Vicky. Oh, no! We have a mechanical mix-up! There. Don't be upset now. Everyone makes mistakes. What's important is you try to fix them. Grab your tools, it's fixing time! And while we fix, we say this rhyme. Come on all, let's try again and match the right present to the right friend. Grabbing arm, ice cream, hose. Let's work out where each one goes. A hose sprays water when things get hot. Fiona Fire Truck will use this a lot. Mama Recycle's grabbing arm is next. To pick up the waste that she collects. One more fix left for our team. So let's attach Vicky's giant ice cream. Way to go, Merry Mechanicals! You fixed the mix-up just in time for Christmas! When mistakes happen, it's always best to fix them. Until next time, everyone, Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays!
It's time to repaint the sign, Mechanicals. Blue, can you please get the green paint and take yellow up on the roof to help? Oh dear, Fiona's had a bump to her bumper. Come inside and let's fix it. Green, we'll need the extra strong glue, please. Glue isn't meant to be green. Blue and yellow must have the glue. Quick, red, get up to the roof. Oh, poor Red. We'll have to get up on the roof another way. Oh dear, what a sticky situation. Let's get you free before the glue sets completely. Fiona, can we borrow your hose, please? Don't worry, Mechanicals. We'll soon have you free. Great job, everyone. Fiona and I both look brand new. Blue, where are you? Hello, everyone. We're working outside today because Fiona's ladder is stuck. She's too tall. Oh, we'd better check your tyres too, Fiona. Oh, Blue. Could someone get the car jack, please? Good job, Red. I'll just get my wrench. Bouncing box! Don't worry, Red. We'll get you down somehow. Green, yellow, fetch a blanket. I have an idea. Red, when I say let go, you let go, okay? Let go! Oh! Blue, it's time to be a hero. Ready, Blue? 3, 2, 1, go! Don't worry, we'll catch you! Phew! You saved the day, Blue! Hooray for our hero! Come on, Super Mechanical. Let's finish Fiona's service. We'll see you again soon. Bye!
Hello, everyone. We're giving Fiona Fire Truck a service. Oh, it's been a long day. Oh, excuse me. Now, what's next, Mechanicals?
Whoa! I think this is yours, Blue. Now, what were we doing, Mex? All done? Spinning screwdrivers! That went quickly. Oh, what a lovely sunny day. What on earth is that? Whoa!
With this big balloon, they'll be able to find my garage from miles around. Ha-ha! Who could that be? I'm busy. Max? More air for your tyres? Fine.
Wait! Mr. Weasel isn't putting air in Max's tyres. He's using the helium for the balloon. Which means... Don't worry, Max. I'm coming. Hey! Oh! Spinning screwdrivers!
How is it my fault?
Oh! Oh, don't panic, Max. We'll think of something. Max, if I let some air out of the tyres, we'll go whooshing along like a balloon. Oh! Ah! Ooh! That's it, Max. Aim for the garage. Ah, you go, Max. Good as new.
I'll show that gecko once my advertising balloon is ready. Oh!
Hello, everyone. Look, it's snowing. Today we're... Whoa! Careful, Blue. Wait, Tilly. You haven't got your snow tyres.
Behold! Sly is the best snow vehicle ever! Ah! Who threw that? That pesky frog and his trash cans! I'll show them! Take that!
Let's get Tilly out of there. Push mechanicals. Shivering screwdrivers. Now Tilly's a giant snowball. Oh, poor Tilly. You look freezing. You need winterproofing. Come on, Mex. Grab your tools, it's fixing time. Screwdriver, wrench. And while we fix, we say this rhyme. Let's get this new radiator into Tilly, so she'll stay warm and stop being chilly. The next thing that Tilly requires is this set of special snow tyres. Each new tyre will get a snow chain to help Tilly drive in wintry terrain. It's the emergency alarm. Someone needs help.
Garage doors, open at speed. It's time to help a vehicle in need.
Oh no! Mr. Weasel's stuck in the snow. Do you need us to tow you back to the garage, Mr. Weasel?
No, I don't. Sly's very capable in the snow. Oh. Ew! It's dripping down my neck! Oh!
Oh dear. That's no good, Mr. Weasel. Bye, everyone.
Hello, everyone. We've replaced Trevor's old wheels with a new set. His back tyres are huge, with deep tread to help grip in the mud. And as a thank you, Trevor's made us a corn maze to play in.
Hop it, Frog. I'm going first.
Good luck, Mr. Weasel. Don't get lost. Go, Tilly Tow Truck. Let's find our way through the maze.
Huh? No way through. This maze is too hard, and now it's raining. Oh, yuck.
Oops, not this way, Mex. Let's turn another way.
Ah, this maze is broken. We have to beat Gecko. Let's trim this trip. Mazes are so easy. Out of the way, you tinkering toad!
Oh no! The rain has made it muddy, and Sly is stuck. Flipping screwdrivers, so is Tilly.
I'll be stuck in this miserable, muddy maze forever!
Don't worry, Mr. Weasel. There's always hope. I have
have an idea. Come in, Cat.
Hola, Gecko.
We're stuck in the crop maze and need Trevor's old wheels to help Tilly grip in the mud.
No problema, Gecko. I can use Helena's grabbing arm to help.
Did somebody order 2 wheels and an axle?
Thanks, Cat. Now it's up to us. Pick up your tools and say this rhyme. At Gecko's garage, it's fixing time. We'll replace Tilly's wheels with Trevor's old set, so she can grip on ground that's muddy and wet. A longer axle is what Tilly requires for 2 big wheels with giant tyres. With her new wheels, we could easily factor that Tilly the tow truck is now Tilly the tractor!
Wait for me!
It's working! Now let me guide you out of here. Now turn left.
Almost there.
Now right.
We made it! Ah, well done, everyone.
But I'll be the winner!
Mummy.
Teamwork's the winner today. Goodbye, everyone. Hello, everyone. We're going camping tonight. Very close to home. We just need to put the tent up. Huh? Never mind, mechanicals. Ah, it's getting dark. Let's get a fire going and roast some marshmallows. When lighting fires, don't get hurt. Stand well back and stay alert. Look, it's Fiona Fire Truck and Dandy. There must be an emergency.
Fire! Fire! Don't panic, pals. Dandy's here to deal with the danger.
Wait, Dandy, stop! This is our campfire.
Oops. Sorry, Gecko.
That's okay, Dandy. We're going to roast some marshmallows. Would you and Fiona like to join us?
Would we ever? Thank you. Whee! Oops. Sorry, Fiona.
Spinning ladders! Fiona's controls are out of control!
Keep calm, everyone. Dandy's got this.
Hold on, Dandy!
Don't worry. All is going to plan.
This button should stop the ladder. Phew. Let's get Fiona in the garage and fix these controls. Grab your tools, it's fixing time. And while we fix, we sing this rhyme. Fiona's controls need repair, so let's see what's going on in there. The buttons are busted and the levers are loose. We need to give them all a big boost. These controls are nice and handy for Fiona to fight fires with Dandy. Good job, team. Our work is done. Fixing time is so much fun.
So much fun. Thank you, Gecko. Oh, thank you, Mechanicals. I love marshmallows. We've got to go. Someone needs our help. Oops, not that one. Sorry!
Oh, well. Time for bed anyway. Goodbye, everyone.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Gecko's garage. Oh, it's very muddy today, so we're getting our car wash ready. Oh, look. Here comes Baby Truck to get all cleaned up. Oh, hello, Baby Truck. Let me guess what you're here for. Splish, splash and splosh. Activate Gecko's car wash. That's not right. You're still all muddy. Of course! We haven't filled it up with soap. You can't get squeaky clean without soap. Now the soap is filled to the top, we can wash all that mud off. Oh! That's strange. The rollers are meant to roll the bubbles off. Hurrah! Ooh! Aha! That's it! Baby truck is too small for the rollers to reach. Ah. Hee. Hooray! The car wash is working and baby truck is sparkling clean. It's cheerio from Gecko. Bye! Success, Mechanicals! Another happy customer.
Oh no! It's a disaster! Oh.
What's wrong, Mr. Weasel?
It's Sly! My precious sports car has a dirty mark.
Sly's welcome to use our car wash.
Huh. My weasel wash is far superior. Come along now, Sylvester. Stop dawdling. You need to be here.
Uh-oh. Oh, no. No, not me, you robotic wretch! Oh! Sly! Do something! Oh, no, you clumsy clown!
Sly needs our help, Blue. Quick, grab my toolkit.
Oh.
Blue, hand me my wrench. This weasel wash has gone wacky. Are you okay, Mr. Weasel?
Never better.
Glad to hear it. Oops, Mr. Spot. Hello, everyone. We're working on Bobby today. Ready for your brand new wheels, old friend. Shiny rims, fresh tyres, the lot. Huh? Oh, I just need to answer the phone. Mechanicals, can you start fitting Bobby's new wheels for me, please? Hello, Gecko's Garage. How are you, Grandma? That was a bit dangerous. No, the mechanical is fine. Oh, yes, please. We'd love some apple pie. Yes, 10 pies would be plenty.
Grandma. Huh? Sorry, Grandma. I've got to go. It's a wheel emergency. Tilly! Rusty wrenches. Bobby's wobbling all over the place. Tilly's winch will help hold Bobby. Phew, that was close. Huh? Bobby's wonky wheels are all wrong. Steering screwdrivers. That's not supposed to be there. Never mind, mechanicals. Everyone makes mistakes. Sorry, Bobby. The right wheels rolled away when we weren't looking. Let's get you back on the road. What tools do I need? Drill? Jack! Gecko's garage, time to fix. Gecko's garage, let's fix this! We'll start with the wheels at the rear. The motor sends the power back here. I'll tighten these nuts so we can be sure Bobby's wheels won't wobble anymore. Now your wheels all roll the same. It's time to hit the road again. Ah, thanks, Bobby. We'd love to come for a ride. Well done, mechanicals. Remember, it's okay to make mistakes as long as you help to fix them. Goodbye, everyone.
And then I saw it, coming out of the dark with great glowing eyes and huge wobbly wheels. It was the ghost truck!
Oh, it's okay, mechanicals. It's just a story. There's no such thing as ghosts. Are there, Grandma?
Of course not. But scary stories are so much fun.
I wonder where Tilly's got to with those marshmallows. Just a few more twigs for the fire, please, Yellow.
Yellow?
A ghost? It can't be! Marshmallows?
Ghost marshmallows? That's new.
We don't need to be afraid or act all silly because it's not a ghost. It's our friend Tilly.
It was a dark, stormy night and...
No more ghost stories, Grandma.
All right, no ghosts. But let me tell you about the creepy were-kangaroo of Cowabunga Canyon.
Oh, what's wrong, Green?
Whoa! Cat and Helena are here for us to fit the brand new gadget. Get ready, mechanicals.
Green? Hola, Gecko!
Oh, hi, Cat. Haha, time to fit some extra special kit. Go, go, mechanicals.
May I talk with her, Gecko?
Thanks, Cat.
What is wrong, Corazon? Would you like to help me with something?
All done and ready for a test run.
Wait, we can't test it without green.
Sometimes I don't feel so great too, but sad feelings will pass, like the clouds.
We're ready on the ground, Cat. Go, go, Helena Helicopter.
All yours, Green. I believe in you.
Oh, great job, Cat. That was amazing.
It was all green.
Oh, well done, Green. Hello, everyone. Baby Truck's here for a play date with the Mechanicals. I'll come play soon. I just need to finish changing Fiona Fire Truck's wheels. Oh! Someone needs our help. Oh no! There's a fire and Fiona can't help. Her new wheels haven't arrived yet. What will we do? Aha! That's it! The car wash! Baby Truck, how would you like to be a fire truck for the day? Go, go, baby fire truck! It's okay, Trevor. No need to fear. Gecko's firefighters are here. Oh no! We've sprung a leak! Take over, Red! Oh, good, Red! No problem, Trevor. Ah, and well done, baby. You make a really good fire truck. Bye, everyone!
Could you pass me a spanner, please, Blue? That's not a spanner, Blue. It's a wooden spoon. Sounds like Baby Truck. I wonder what all the excitement's about.
Presenting Wilbur T. Weasel's new electromagnet. Oh! How do I turn it off? Oh!
Oh no! Mr. Weasel's got magnet trouble.
Everything's fine, Gecko. If you could just switch off the power by turning that bolt.
Blue, stop! A magnet attracts anything made of metal. Oh no! Mechanicals! Oh, I know, Mama Recycle. I need to turn the power down, but I can't use a metal tool. Of course! The wooden spoon! Huh?
It's okay, friends. I'll free you soon. With a tool I made from a wooden spoon.
Ah, that's not going to work.
Is everyone okay? Oh, great. We'll see you all soon for more adventures at Gecko's Garage. Bye! Oh, thanks, Red. Oh, it really is hot today. Look over there. Baby and Mama are going for a picnic. But Baby doesn't look well at all. Come on, Baby Truck. Let's take a look at you and find out what's wrong. Oh, that's the problem. You're way too hot. Quick, Mechanicals, fetch some water. Oh dear, you've not been drinking enough water, have you? It's important to drink lots of water when it's hot. That's better. But I think you're still too hot. Aha! I've got it! Turn the car wash down to cold, please, Red. All right, Baby Truck. Time to cool off. All better. Now you can go to your picnic. Have a great time. Bye! Hey, it's Max, the monster truck. What can we do for you today? Oh, you want to look like your hero, King Crash! I think we can do that, Max. I'll get my tools. Mechanicals, you get started. Okay, got all my tools. Mechanicals! What have you done? Oh, you all might think he looks great, but it wasn't what he wanted. Don't worry, Max. We'll put you right. All done, Max. Is this what you wanted? Another happy customer here at Gecko's Garage. See you all soon. What's that yummy smell?
That's right, a free kebab for every customer. This is sure to get me more customers. In you go, Eric. Oh, cook faster.
Is something burning?
Oh! Ow! Oh, what's wrong with this silly thing? Oh! No! My beautiful barbecue!
Fiona fire truck, there's a fire!
We're saved! Oh!
Let's help fight that fire! Go, go, Mechanicals!
Oh! Save it! Hurry up! Hurry up! Ew! Oh, I'm soaked!
Oops! Sorry! The hose won't reach. Great idea, Fiona. Let's use the fire extinguisher. Oh, I got you. Thank goodness everyone's safe. Great job, everyone. See you again soon. Bye.
Welcome back to Gecko's Garage, everyone. We've just been installing our emergency alert system. Huh? Someone must be in trouble. Go, go, Tilly Tow Truck! It's Eric, the excavator. I think he's hit a rock. Look, he's broken his caterpillar trap. Oh, Blue. I know the storm is scary, but we need your help. Will you be brave for us? Oh, I can't reach. And I'm too big to fit through that gap. Huh? Oh dear, we need to be fast. I think that dam's going to overflow. Blue is small enough to fit under. Well done, Blue. You're being really brave. Oh no! The dam's going to collapse. Hurry, Blue. Oh, well done, Blue. You faced your fears. And look, a rainbow. It's Cheerio from Gecko. Bye!
Oh, hey there, everyone. Vicky, the ice cream truck, is in for her repairs. We're just doing a few finishing touches. Thanks, Yellow. Could I please have a screwdriver? Careful, Mechanicals. That pipe is full of ice-cold air. It's how Vicky freezes her ice cream. Yellow! Don't touch that button!
Phew! Thanks, Mechanicals. You saved me. Now, let's finish fixing Vicky. Thanks, Vicky. Bye, everyone.
Hello, everyone. We're off to visit Kat. She asked me to bring some special things belonging to my grandpa. And here we are. Wow-wee! Oh, Kat. Are you here? We saw your lovely display and... Huh?
Cálmate, Gecko.
Huh?
It's just face paint for Dia de los Muertos.
Dia de los Muertos? What's that?
It means Day of the Dead. My family celebrates this holiday to remember our loved ones who have passed on. Mi ama, my mother, was an ace pilot. This was her compass. Do you have anything for me, Grandpa?
My grandpa was an inventor. Before he died, he made the famous Gecko Specs, a nifty gadget to help you see better in all kinds of situations. I know that horn! That's Bobby the Bus! Sounds like he's in trouble! Oh, it's no good! It's too dark to see!
Gecko, ven acá! Helena's spotlight can find Bobby in the dark.
Good idea, Kat!
Still too dark. I can't see Bobby.
What would Grandpa do? Huh? We don't need extra light. These Gecko Specs work best at night. There! I see Bobby! Let's go in for a landing. I'll radio Tilly. Glad we heard you, Bobby. Looks like your battery's gone flat.
We can charge him at my base.
Perfect, Kat. And with a little towing, we can get Bobby going. A flat battery isn't much trouble, but needs recharging on the double. There you go. Your battery will be full by morning.
You did a fantastic job finding Bobby in the dark, Gecko.
It's thanks to you, Grandpa. Your Gecko Specs saved the day.
Even if you can't see him, your grandpa is still with you, Gecko.
Yes, I'm glad he is. Hello, everyone. We're just upgrading Eric's arm so he can dig holes even faster.
Ah! Call that an excavator? What rubbish! Behold! Sly's new Mega Drill! You don't stand a chance, Frog. I'm the finest mechanic in history. Watch! Help! I can't... Stop!
Oh, no! Mr. Weasel's drill is out of control. Go, go, Mechanicals! Red, are you okay? Mr. Weasel's magnet. Of course. Eric, I have an idea. Your arm is strong, so it's okay. Let's use this magnet to save the day.
I hate that!
You're safe now, Mr. Weasel. But, oh dear, there's a lot of mess to clean up.
I don't see why I should have to clean it up. This isn't my fault. I'm okay.
We'd better get a rope, Green. See you next time, everyone. Bye! Hello, everyone. I'm re-spraying Bobby the bus. And Grandma's playing cops and robbers with the mechanicals.
Hurrah! We caught the robber red-handed. Oh, Bobby, you look ready to take me home in style. Bobby, what's wrong, dear?
Bobby's lost power. Let me check your battery, old friend. Spinning screwdrivers! Bobby's battery's missing. An electric bus can't move without a battery.
We'll find Bobby's battery. Detective Mix, look for clues. Aha! Our first clue.
These parts belong to Bobby.
But these prints don't. It seems we have a real robber on the loose.
Follow the trail.
Aren't my new lights spectacular? My sign will attract more customers than you'll ever get, Gecko.
How are you powering those lights, Mr. Weasel?
Oh.
Look, there's Bobby's battery.
Well, I only borrowed it to power my lovely lights.
But Bobby needs the battery to power his motor. We're taking it back to him.
But my lovely lights! Oh, the silly wires won't reach the plug. Oh.
Pick up your tools and say this rhyme. At Gecko's garage, it's fixing time. Grandma's using Tilly's winch to lower the battery inch by inch. We'll make sure all the wires are connected and secure them with bolts that Blue collected. The battery provides an electricity feed that powers Bobby's wheels to move at speed.
At least Bobby's back to full power because I could use a sit down. Care to drop me home, please, dear?
Thanks for coming, Grandma.
Oh, help me! Gecko! Please!
Oh, come on, Mex. Let's help Mr. Weasel. Goodbye, everyone.